We developed a new tree species list of over 300 different species, and identified about 90 different species for planting in our streets that will thrive in the changed climate conditions that are forecast by the year 2050. I think we all appreciate that trees take time to grow, so we need to start making the gradual change in species planted now so that the future generations inherit a healthy canopy cover. And so, by spatially analysing our tree asset management data and the proposed future tree species, we're really able to ensure that the new plants increase our species diversity, and reduce the risk of diseases and spreads amongst trees. And then that obviously provides a much greater canopy cover for the future. And that right place, right tree, right place also means the focus on equity tree canopy cover. So, how we define our buffer for planting and how we boost our policy to address the areas that need the canopy and greening the most, and make sure we prioritise that for our communities who really need it.